Good morning, you prep scientists. Tomorrow we're going to be back in the lab, so I'm recording that video today. Today we just got a simple assignment. We're going to actually be going back to our good friends at Good Food Inc. And we're going to be helping them predict some things that might happen over the next year. So I'll share this. Here we go. All right, so here we go. Here's today's assignment. I'm gonna make myself a little bigger here. There we go. So make sure you read all the instructions carefully, as always. So today we're going to be get back to working with Good Food Production Incorporated. And in order to make sure we're making food that people want to eat, Good Food Production Incorporated needs to keep up to date with the latest trends and predict what people want to eat each year. So the article that's attached here is going to include some of our predictions from the beginning of 2019. And it's our job. Now it's time to go back and see how accurate those predictions were so we can make good new predictions for 2021. So we're going to read the article, Predicting Food Trends, and then fill in the multiple choice questions, answer the short answers. Make sure we are using at least 2 complete sentences for each answer. Very, very important. If you haven't used 2 sentences for each answer on your past work, you'll notice your grade is lower and you have to fix it and resubmit it to get those points back. Make sure that you're answering in your own words. If you need help, any of these links will help you. Here's my email address. You can send me a text at this number, and you can come into my Zoom room today at between 10 and 11 and 2:30 to 3:30. Tomorrow's experiment, you will want to do this one at home if you can, because it's going to involve tasting some things. So if you can find as many of these things as possible before tomorrow, you want 4 small cups or glasses. And actually, let me get out of the lab here for a second. So, share. None. Okay, so what you're going to want is 4 small cups or glasses. You're going to want a half teaspoon measuring spoon. Want some black pepper, some sugar, cumin, which is a spice you'll probably find on the spice cabinet. And if you have some, I don't expect anybody to have this. I did not have this at home. I had to pick it up at school. Citric acid. You'll also need 4 stirring sticks, or spoons work just as well. And just get as many of those things as you can, because again, tomorrow's experiment is going to involve taste. It doesn't really translate too well to video. So I will be making a video, but if you have the stuff at home, go and find it. Okay, so same as the other times, we got the multiple choice questions are going to be at the end of this article. So after you read it, you'll have 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one's actually on the next page. So watch out for that. So you're just writing A, B, C, or D in these 4 spots. Then you have questions at the bottom, short answers. You want to answer each question using at least 2 complete sentences. So you want to summarize the article in your own words. Then the next 2 are how we're evaluating what these trends and these predictions actually turned out as. So second question says, this article is from the beginning of 2019. Which of the food trend predictions did come true in 2019, and why do you think those ones actually happened? And then the third question is, which ones did not happen in 2019, and why do you think our trend predictors were wrong about these trends? Why did these things not actually happen? All right, so it's going to set us up for getting back into the food science lab tomorrow, and we'll continue to do that for the rest of the week. One thing I'm going to do is going to go ahead and record a live reading of the article, so a read aloud, so that way if you want to listen while you read, you can. that makes it a little easier for you to understand what's going on in the article. So I will get that posted as soon as I have it recorded, and I will see everybody tomorrow for our experiment. So good luck, and I'll see y'all later.